Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I carry in my diaper bag for baby Liam. He is in the newborn stage. I still want to say he's like a newborn even though he's huge and chubby. He's a huge baby, you guys. He never used newborn clothes and he actually used newborn diapers for like the first 3 days. After that we jumped to a 1 and he uses 3 to 6 months right now. Baby Liam right now is like a month and a half. By the time you guys are watching this, he's actually close to 2 months, I want to say. I'm not sure. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I carry for him. Before we get started into today's video though, if you are not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, please subscribe in the link below. Hit the notification bell so YouTube will alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week. You do not want to miss out on the fun. Happy New Year, by the way. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat if you haven't done so already. Thumbs up the video if you like mommy content and you want me to continue to do mommy content. That way I know that you guys like these kind of videos or you guys like the mommy content and not only the makeup tutorials. By the way, if you want to know what's on my skin, the makeup and all of that jazz, I do have a tutorial on this face already up on my channel in case you're interested. But with all of that out of the way, guys, we're just going to jump into today's video. You guys saw my video where I showed you guys what I packed for the hospital. It's the exact same bag for Liam. It's this one right here, which is basically just like a backpack and a purse in one. I love it because not only can Jesus wear it as a backpack, but I can also use it like this as a purse, and it's perfect. It's not too big, it's not too bulky, but it's also not too small. It fits everything perfectly. And I also love it because it has a ton of compartments. Obviously, if you're a mom of a newborn, you know that you need to carry quite some stuff. So that's why I really like this one. This one is from Amazon. I really recommend it. This is what it looks like. I'm not going to go in like any order or anything. I'm just going to share with you guys what I have. So first, I obviously take wipes. These are the wipes that I'm currently using. These are the sensitive Pampers wipes. I do have 2 of these packages just because I don't know if I'm going to need more than 1 package. So I do carry 2 of them like this. And then here at home, I do have the wipey warmer, which I refill with the refillable ones, but they're the exact same brand. Next thing I carry in his diaper bag is this thing right here. So this is actually a formula dispenser, I guess you can say. So I carry his formula here when we are traveling, we are on the go or whatever. I'll go ahead and show you guys one. So it's basically a little container like this. It has a cap on it, so you literally just dump it into the bottle and you are good to go. So this one can only carry 3 bottles, which I don't love just because when I bought it, I thought it was going to like carry more. So I would definitely pass on this one. I recommend getting the little container one that has a little scoop. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but I love that one because you can put way more formula in it, whereas this one, it's literally just 3 bottles. But this is what I carry my formula in. Next is a swaddle blanket. I do carry a swaddle blanket for Liam as well as a regular blanket. The regular blanket, I don't carry it in here though, but I do carry a swaddle blanket just in case I need it. You never know. Babies are messy, guys. So I also carry an extra outfit for him. In this case, I'm carrying this one just because it is cold outside. It has a little bulldog. I want to say it's bulldog, but it's a little puppy in the back, and it's a little like, what is this called? Like a little onesie kind of thing. I also carry these right here, which are individual like little onesies. I carry a long sleeve for him, and I also carry, his clothes smell so good. I love his detergent. And I also carry these right here. So these are the little onesies like this. I love these. I have been using these so much ever since he was born. These are like the #1 thing I recommend if you do have a newborn at home. Just because of one, newborns are so delicate. At least for me, if you're a first-time mom, I was so scared to change him clothes, especially like a long sleeve. I was like terrified to change him. You have to be very careful, and sometimes they get fussy and they start crying. But I love these because they're super easy. This is literally what he sleeps in one of these. It's easy for me to change his diaper, and it's not a long sleeve as well, so they're just easy to like change and stuff, you know. So I carry a white one, and I also carry a gray one. By the way, the outfits change depending on like the weather and stuff. Sometimes I'll have something even more warm, but these onesies here I always carry no matter what. I also carry his changing mat. This is also from Amazon. By the way, everything that is in here is from Amazon except for his clothes, but other than that, everything is from Amazon. So this is the Comfy Cubs, and it's just a changing mat in case I am in a place where they don't really have like, I don't know, somewhere where I can change him. I can just lay this wherever I'm at and I can change him. I obviously carry diapers. Now, first I started using the Pampers brand, but I noticed that they don't have much support. Like the actual diaper doesn't really have, I don't know, I don't even think it's called support. I just feel like it doesn't, like, they're not like heavy duty, you know. And then also his pee was like leaking all over the diaper, and a lot of you guys told me that it was because of the brand of Pampers. You guys really recommended Huggies, so I did switch him to Huggies, and I absolutely love them. They're so much easier to put on him, and they also have this blue thing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like soakable, you know what I mean? Like I change his diaper as soon as he pees, but I feel like this one, it doesn't make him feel uncomfortable or wet, you know. And they also come with like the line. I don't know if all diapers have this, I'm not sure, but this one has the line, where the yellow line here, where it turns blue if he does pee. So yeah, huge shout out to Huggies. I love Huggies. I recommend it better than Pampers. Pampers, I feel like it's just, I don't know, the quality is just not there, you know. I love their wipes though, but not their diapers. I also carry a pair of mittens as well as a pair of cozy socks, because you never know where I'm gonna be at, where I'm gonna need this. So this is always inside his diaper bag no matter what. I also always carry bibs because Liam is a messy eater. So I do carry 2 bibs. These are cloth, and then I also carry one that's like, one that's really big. I don't have it here. I don't know why it's not in here, but when I'm like on the go, I only have 2 of those. I should probably stock up on them, but they're like, I don't want to say plastic, but I think they're like this like thick material where if the milk falls on it, it doesn't like soak up like these. It's more of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a plasticky material, but I do carry that one as well. And then I also carry cloths, like little cloths here, because I put a bib on him, and then I also use this right here because he is a messy eater, you guys, like literally a messy eater. And I'll use this like around his neck just so he doesn't get milk on his neck, because then he'll start to stink. And then I also wipe his mouth with these I've used a ton, so I really recommend these little cloths as well. Those and the little onesies are something that I cannot live without. I cannot. I also carry his Aquaphor. This is basically a like a diaper rash cream, or like an ointment. This is for dry and irritated skin. So this is basically like a skin protector or protectant. It's not necessarily when the baby has like a diaper rash. I also use this to prevent it. Liam is a very chunky baby, so his legs, like in between his legs, he'll sometimes get like red because of the diaper and because he's really chubby, so I use this on him. I also like the Honest one from Target, the one in the blue and white bottle. But for the most part, Jesus loves Aquaphor, so this is the one we use for him. I always carry his Soothie, his pacifier, whatever you want to call it, and I do carry it in this case just so that it doesn't get dirty. The case and the Soothie are both from Amazon as well. I love the case. It fits the pacifier perfectly fine. Lastly is the front of the backpack, which is this right here, this compartment. And in here, I carry his drops right here, which these are meant for, I don't know how you say colicos in English. Cramps? No. They're supposed to eliminate like the excess gas that makes your baby like colicky. And colicky, is that the word? I think so. I don't know. Whatever makes the babies cry, that's what that's for. And then it has these 3 thingies right here, which are like insulated. insulated. I'm not sure that's the word. I don't know, guys, but these are for the bottles, and I carry the bottles like this. Right now, the bottles that I've been loving are the Medela bottles. So if you guys didn't know, I'll probably mention it in like my birth vlog and stuff, but I started breastfeeding him, and then I was also pumping religiously for like the first week and a half, I want to say. But then I went into a second surgery after my C-section, so I couldn't breastfeed anymore because I was in the hospital for like 5 days, I think. And then after that, I had to take antibiotics, so therefore I could not breastfeed anymore. But I stuck with the Medela bottles. I did try the Tommy Timmy's, which are a mess, just because he is a messy eater, and the bottle, or like the, what do you call it? The chi-chi. I don't know how you call it in English, but the thing is like really like wide. It's supposed to mimic the breast, but it's just too big for him, so he like gets it all over. So the Tommy Timmy's did not work. The Kamatomo bottle also did not work for him, and thank God, because they're pricey. And I think we tried other 2 brands which he didn't like. The ones that he really liked are the Medela bottles, so this is what I stuck with, and I do have a lot of these. I also carry hand sanitizer for the most part. I ran out, but I do carry it. I actually need to go pick up another one. And then his thermometer I also carry just in case, you know, you never know. But I do carry those 2 things as well. Other than that, that is all that I carry in his diaper bag. Let me know what you guys carry in your diaper bag. Let me know, because I'm very curious. Now that I'm a mom, I love watching these videos. Like, I'm just curious, like, what do you carry in your bag, you know? Or sometimes when I'm like out and about and I see like a mom with like their diaper bag, I'm like, I wonder what you carry inside. I don't know, maybe that's just me, maybe it's a mom thing, who knows. Don't forget to like this video if you like mommy content and you want me to continue to do videos like this where I share with you guys here and there. Subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on social media, and yeah, I think that is it. Also, don't forget that I have this full beat already up on my channel in case you're interested. But with that being said, guys, happy new year, and I will catch you guys very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.